It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And on our way to Dollar Tree this afternoon, we saw a few flurries. Arriving at Dollar Tree, I saw that there were a lot of things I hadn't previously seen. So I decided to go ahead and shoot a quick video to show you some of the highlighted items that I thought were very special. The gift bags were a wall full of color, and I was very impressed with the quality, the finish on the bags, the different kinds of tags that they had, and I especially was happy to see that they had some religiously decorated gift bags. The Dove of Peace. They also had some that said, "Oh, come, let us adore him." You can see here the three kings are pictured on this gift bag with the Star of Bethlehem. So they really did have some beautiful options for decorating your gifts in easy ways. Here, I was happy to see they brought back not only the solar stake lights, but also on their weekly wow table, they had the headbands that light up, as well as these necklaces. And these necklaces are a lot of fun. You can see last Christmas, I used them to highlight different displays in different gift baskets. This was one for my grandson, and when I gave him the gift, I had the light bulbs flashing. They're a really fun way to enliven a gift or gift basket, as well as to wear around your neck on Christmas. Here they had a lot of different tableware, tablecloths, plates, and napkins. These little decorative boxes were handy. I picked up one of these $5 Santas from the Dollar Plus aisle because I plan to embellish it in an upcoming video. They had a lot of different decorations for the tree, as well as these large decorated gift boxes. They're designed to look like large books. They were very heavy and large. They were $5 a piece, but I think they'd be a very special way to package a gift. Here, the countdown clocks were cute. The dishware was also pretty. If you want to use that, perhaps in a craft, I've done a lot of crafts where I'll take a small plate like this, put it on a candlestick, and create an elevated pedestal bowl or plate for display. There were some nice placemats, and I picked up one of the cream-colored ones that you can see on the bottom shelf for a project. Here's some very pretty ribbon. They had the wide ribbon as well as the narrow. These are for $5, very soft throws, and I thought for that price, they make a nice gift. They also had, which I thought were really nice, Christmas tree-shaped pillows, and they were alongside these decorative throws. You can see this one kind of has the holly and holly berries. Here's one in gray with snowflakes. Also in the plus aisle, there were a lot of large packages of ornaments. The ornaments are offered in a wide array of colors, from pinks and silvers and golds to the more classic red and green. Over here they had welcome mats, and here's some small gift ideas, LED fountains and desktop fans. I thought that Count Your Blessings hook was very pretty. Here they have reindeer and a wide assortment of bottle brush trees and white faux fir trees, as well as the metallic looking glass trees. These reindeer for $3 were tabletop decor, and you can see you get 3 reindeer, and I think they could be very nice embellished or painted. These soap dispensers came in a variety of styles, and the $5 Santa will lend himself to being embellished. In my upcoming video, I have a good idea for how to embellish him. These for $5 were very nice, very large, and a good way to have a place to put your wet boots and shoes in the winter. The children's toy aisle had a nice assortment from up to $3 to $5, and I thought they had some really sweet gift ideas for children, including these soft plush. Over here, they had the large signs for $5, and down here, I'm showing you again more of the soft pillows in the tree shapes. They came in this soft green as well as the red, and I thought this green one was really especially pretty. They had those displayed with the throws that I showed to you. Here, the countdown clocks come in a variety of styles, and over here again, more ornaments. Here were, for $5, different gingerbread house kits. They have the Funfetti one and two other brands that looked really nice. These were aprons in different thematic styles, as well as pot holders. And over here, these are the tall house signs. These plaques were nice. Oh Holy Night, Merry Christmas, and the Farm Fresh Christmas. For $5 a piece, these standing signs were quite nice. Up here, they had some very pretty decorative gift boxes and other containers. I actually bought the one that was shaped like a gingerbread house. Here, for creating faux floral arrangements, they had a nice variety of poinsettias and twigs and berries. Up here, you can see packaged berries, more poinsettias and pine cones, as well as these white flowers. A lot of people like to decorate in the creams and whites, and they had a nice assortment. Here I'm just giving you a quick look at the tree ornaments, which are very nice. They had some new ones that I hadn't seen before. And you can see they have a whole wall full of these assorted ornaments, as well as some of the wall plaques. And over here, they had some of the tinsel-covered hanging ornaments, and I like to take the tinsel off. In fact, I bought this little snowman. It's sort of a 3-piece hanging snowman, and you can see how the tinsel is already loosened. I take off the tinsel and reveal the form, and you can see what I did last Christmas was to wrap those forms with a lovely plush yarn made by Yarn Bee, and it really elevates them beautifully. This was pretty, the tabletop Believe sign, along with other tabletop decor. I really liked this countdown calendar because of the nostalgic charm of the little reindeer holding the stocking with the cardinal sitting on his back. I want to show you these boxes. They're designed to look like books. They're $5 a piece. They're very heavy, and they open up just as a book would, and they provide a nice size for packaging a gift. Here are some beautiful handmade cards for $1. I found one with a beautiful verse for my mom. Here are some fun little glasses and some of the elves. Dollar Tree also has some nice rolled gift wrap, and if you pair that with some of their other embellishments, such as their ornaments or wood crafts, you can create beautifully adorned gift packages. Here you can see I've used a variety of their embellishments to create night lights, gift tags, gift embellishments, all using Dollar Tree supplies. Now I also want to show you something I did last year using the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. They come $1.25 singly in a box, and I purchased 2 at a time to make these swags. They're so much fun to adorn, and if you put a small easel in the center, you can also display a Christmas plate. You can also use the swags to decorate doorways and windows. On my channel, under my Christmas playlist, I have instructions on how to create these. I made a wide variety of them, decorating them with different themes and using plates I had purchased not only from Dollar Tree but also from Goodwill. I will make some new ones this year, so I look forward to demonstrating those as well. as God's artistry inspires our own creativity. I look forward to sharing with you some crafts later this week that I'm working on. In the meantime, take care. You can see there's a full moon rising. God bless, and I'll see you soon.